Yo, good morning. How we doing? What's up, Tama? What's up, LeGrand? Got Finch. Nice start into the week. Nice, not so good for me, but yeah. NQ cooked me last night, man. Anybody took the 5-minute change of character on NQ last night? We had this going on. Two candle closures below here. And I went in on sells here. And I got stopped out here somewhere. Too bullish, too bullish. I then had buy limits at the dual change after we had like closures above here twice, but we never came back and retested it, sadly. So let's see if we can get it back for NY. Nice risk reader, Lydia. W. Much better winning rate on MGC than NQ. Yeah, I feel like MGC is moving cleaner right now. A little bit. But let's see how it will go for NY. So then we also had this 15-minute change of character, A+, which just got obliterated. So we can delete that. Looks like the 1 hour is too strong. I would still be interested in A+ buys, I think. But so far it's been trending up. Looks like we got change of character, dual change of character. Wait, dual change means this is the A+. It's already past that again. Crazy. So it tapped it, kinda. Had a nice reaction to it, but now we gone bearish again. So we currently have a change of character on the 15 to the downside. If you look from this uptrend from down here, we were trending like this. So now we got two candle closures below. So yo, Sujay, what's up? So now we have this zone and we have this zone. That's for the current structure. I would be careful around here and around here. But we got this clean range. Yep. Wouldn't mind. Yo, what's up, Mike? Glad that you're here. Welcome, welcome. And I saw we also have Ignas. Welcome too. Suje, what's up? Alright, let's also check Goldie. Oh yeah, so Goldie has been trending up. It's a little bit nicer than NQ did, so let's mark this one up. Alright, that's the structure on the 15. I know that this is also the 1 hour TTL too. So not too bad buys down here on Goldie. Let's check the 4 hour. Yeah, there's like this gap between. We already came down. Yeah, I mean, I could see the 4 hour maybe dip into this and then reject again. Yeah. I requested a payout on Wednesday, till didn't receive, everything approved. Yeah, Top Step is a little bit slow lately. That one payout, they took them like, I think 10 days to send it out. Shivansh, what's up? Let's see what AB has to say, because we are creeping up on 9:30. So it's probably gonna be a 9:30 trade. Yeah, but Alex, it took them like 10 days to even send the funds, you know. It wasn't the bank or Wise or anything. It was just funds wasn't sent for like 10 days straight. Everything was approved already, just the funds not sent. But yeah, Wise is usually way quicker. Gotta get back to break even today. Can't have a red day. Alright. Can't ruin this. Need a red day. We need a green day. At least break even, right? Can't live off veggies. Can't live off veggies. Yeah, I remember, Tama, when you came in here. You were very worried about over trading and, you know, sticking to just one trade a day. I remember that. And it makes sense for the other strategy because you usually don't really see more than one or maybe two good setups on that strategy a day. So it makes sense to say you just look for that one good setup. But with this one, you get way more opportunities to get setups, good setups, like. Yo, what's up, Legrand? I'm 100% sure that we will refine this. You know, not from scratch, but we will definitely switch some things up over the years. I mean, it would be sad if we don't, you know. Because the markets, they will change. We will have to adapt, and we also want to improve. So if we improve, then we have to change some stuff that we are doing right now, right? And we have to figure out what that is. And yeah, so we just keep executing and then analyzing. Exactly. Yes, sir. Oh no, my headset is dying. Yeah, you have to. I think you gotta have to have this mindset in trading because it really is like a constant battle with yourself if you don't, you know, keep on reminding yourself what you're doing here and take this serious. Like you can take this not serious for one day and then blow all the profits that you made for a week or a month. So, and then also in the long run, we don't know if this strategy will work in 10 years, right? But we will make sure that the way we trade will still work out in 10 years. Might be a little bit different from what we do now. But yeah, like I said, that's how it's supposed to be. I mean, you know, no strategy is perfect, but we can always try to get it to perfect, you know? So it's like a constant forging on it. Oh, SAB. Let me call him. Be right back, yeah? All right. Got 10 minutes now. What's up, Parker? And what are you guys interested? What play? You got anything that you guys looking for? One hour and 50-minute detail 2 on Goldie. Yeah, I like this one too. Not much. Yeah, just chilling today. Waiting on 9:30. Let's see what the stops could be. I kind of like below this. Below the second zone. That's like 100. Yeah, Lou's doing alright, I think. But he's gonna come back. He's very busy right now. Oh, let's go, Parker. Like to hear that. Right. 5 minutes, 4 minutes. What do we have here? I'll have a little buy limit.
One, two, 1, 2.
Yo.
Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? What's happening? How is everybody?
Doing great, bro. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Lovely.
Nice. So, what do we have here? We are looking for some buys on NQ or what?
Goldie. 1 hour TJL2.
Goldie. Everybody's back on Goldie. Yeah, Vanna TJL looks really nice.
Yeah, we also got the 1 hour RBS. I would put my stops below here for like 100 pips.
So you're saying there are some really nice levels right now?
Yes.
Okay, let me get a combine or two. Hmm. Price action. Let me quickly look at everything. What's the 4-hour looking like? Yeah, 4-hour technically. Yeah, that 1-hour TJL2 taps. Then we can expect this. Is this a valid retracement to continue? Oh wait, I'm not sharing my screen, right? Let me just do it.
Oh, NQ. Be bopping.
How's NQ looking?
Bearish right now. Have a change of character on the 15 to the downside.
Yeah.
The A plus is all the way up here at the daily highs.
Yep. That could be the 930. Okay. Play.
We're right at the SBR right now. Kind of rejecting from it. Or at least trying to.
Time.
Maybe 1 minute red candle and I might give it a little shot.
A little shot, a little SumSum.
Yeah, it doesn't close too low, you know. Okay. Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
I'll take some trades in a bit. Yeah, I'm just like getting onto the charts.
Yeah.
The gap, bro. The support from last night, ever since we gapped up on NQ, is playing out.
Hmm. I'm selling NQ down into that buying area.
Yeah, that 5-minute dual change makes a lot of sense to the downside. What Sujay is talking about. Alright, combines, come on, load up. What's happening?
I'm going risk free.
Risk free.
Yeah, just trying to get some of my. I took the 5-minute change of character last night on NQ overnight.
Mhm.
Got stopped, so I'm trying to get the loss, like a little bit of drawdown, back for a nicer move later to get some profits.
Okay, okay. Can't be mad at that. Yeah. Give me a bit. I'll be there.
Goalie did pretty much nothing, right?
Yeah, nothing. My TP is still at the gap fill. Makes
On
sense, bro.
NQ.
Makes. Yep.
Where's that gap? Oh.
Didn't tap us.
L.
We don't have a 15 anything.
The 15 change of character.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
But NQ is really bullish tonight. Today. It was really bullish last night. And I don't know. That's why I'm just going low risk. Already went risk free. Back up. you're lagging, bro. Pretty bad.
Who's lagging? You are lagging.
I'm lagging?
Yes, sir.
Oh shit. Might be true. Everyone's lagging. Maybe it's the
You
Discord.
both?
It could be
Oh
the
shit.
Discord actually.
L Discord.
Discord.
Chopped. Goalie is chopped. Brother Goalie, why are you so chopped? Where are the cells? Cells are nowhere. Man, it's just like, bro, just whatever daily opens up, just put a limit buy, and a limit stop above, buy stop above. It's easy. I mean, it's just like that. Fuck it. I'm gonna do that tonight at the open. Waiting for 1 minute George on Goldie. Okay, Sujay. So what's the thesis? Thesis is like what? This
Hey Sujay, why is your name Blue?
Blue Jay.
Blue Jay.
Change of character. This.
Blue the Combine Jay. Oh, that's me too.
Or buys blue the comma W.
And he's trying to come down.
Like that. Okay, where's the A plus? Have this is change character.
I could see maybe come down to the TJL2 even.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I'll start trailing once we hit this.
This is the new 1 hour, so this could just be going up. So what is that TGL2 playing out now then on Goldie?
What time frame?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Oh. Maybe.
I mean, nah. Yeah, this is just too less volume. Again. Looks good. Can definitely drop from here. Something like this. Alright, let's do one thing. If this candle closes respecting the 50% of this one, then yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot.
Nice.
W. There it goes. Okay, alright. But entry is gone. So technically, if I do this, and then I do that, I think it's good. How much risk is this? 30 pips, yeah. 30 pips is alright. W. Bro, whip out the fib on the 4-hour bullish move on NQ. Yeah, bro. Yeah, R. Whip out the fib from here to here. Oh, oh, oh. Now, Sujay, bro, all these things you need to tell us before, you know.
Mhm.
But AB, what do you think about the fib, bro? If you draw it on the 4-hour, yeah, that's a 60% there. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, and that also, it reacted off of the gap, right? All right, okay, all right. Any, where is the change of character? Change of character
Character.
is here. Okay. 15 and the 5 A plus. Yeah, at that point, for sales only A plus makes sense on the 15. Other than that, yeah, it's all down to this early where it closes. Technically, we are getting a reaction off of the gap, so maybe it finds new resistance and comes down. In that case, what could be the play? I mean, there's no play really. We need either a closure above or a below. So closure above, but an engulfing candle below. Sell still here. Closure below, but engulfing candle to the up. Now overall we are still like bearish on the direction, so let's just look for sells. I don't know. I have no idea right now.
It's tough. I would like to see Goldie come down to that 1 hour TGL2 and then maybe look for some nice reaction.
Yeah.
That's all plans I have. I don't see anything else. This is not an easy day, I feel like. Except for Tama. And John.
Yes, sir. It'll be like that sometimes.
Yeah, did you see we got 2 new people in here? We got Mike and we got Ignas.
Hey, yo,
Another
Mike,
Mike.
what's up, bro? Welcome, Mike. Hey. Ignas, bro, welcome. Where you boys from? Let's talk. Hello, Mike W name. I know, right, bro? W. The Netherlands.
Oh,
hey.
nice.
That's nice, bro. All right, there is something we do with everybody who joins. You guys need to now send like 3-4 sentences that summarizes like how long have you been trading, what is your trading style, any preferred time frame, and then and why are you here?
Uit België. Goed. Kom je ook uit Nederland?
Yeah, genau.
Bro, I love the Netherlands.
I should, bro. Netherlands. And Ignas, bro, where you from? Don't be shy, come on. Okay, who else is here? Alex, what's up, bro? Danny, Dhruv, John, the legendary buyer, Legrand, Lydia, Parker, Sujay, Tamir, and Tavia. What's up? What did you say? I want to know how long have you been trading? What is your trading style? Anything else that you want to talk about trading? And then next, I want to know after that is why are you here? What do you want from Lil SumSum? How can we help you? Yo, I trade somewhat same to you guys, but without all the change of character stuff. So, Nagi and some entries are the same as yours. Hey, I basically look for LQD resistance or back runner in trend. I'm from
Nice.
Lithuania, bro, but I live in the UK. Hey, that's good, bro. That's
Crazy.
good. What is
Nice.
LQD, bro?
Liquidity.
Yeah, something liquidity. But what?
Yeah, I feel like pack runner, what we used to do on 930, where we grab liquidity to the upside and then take sells to the downside at some major resistance or something, right?
Yeah, maybe something like that. Maybe. Alright, guys, I'm risk free on this.
Wait, what
Let's
did
see
you
if we
do?
can hit the TJL. Or I'll just keep it at 900.
Didn't even notice what
Yeah,
trade.
let's see if we hit the TJL. What, bro? Sorry?
What trade did you take? I didn't even see.
Oh, there's 1 minute TJL too.
Ah, nice.
To the downside. Yeah, this fake out and then engulfing and came back down here. So then when I got like this confirmation, I was like, okay, maybe we get another reaction. Stops were pretty tight. So just got risk free on this one here.
Nice.
Now let's see. Alright, okay, risk free.
And you
That's the
chopping. It's chopping
yeah,
down, so it's okay.
consolidating to make the next move. Liquidity candle highs. Okay. Highs. We are at the A plus. But the change of character didn't happen, right? Sujay, bro? It did? Oh. We got two closures. I mean, I don't have it. If unless like I marked it wrong. Yeah, pretty much. I take profits at the 5 minute support most of the time. Give me 50 pips. Nice, bro. Nice.
Yeah, I think you marked it wrong actually. The retracement is a little bit later on the left. Because it's not that high, that was what I mean. The retracement. Or is
Yeah,
it?
shouldn't it be this high, like this one?
Yeah, should, right?
Yeah, right.
So it didn't.
But profit is profit, bro. W.
Yeah. Doesn't matter now.
Yeah, it don't matter. I've been trading for around 2 years, but on and off, I traded with TTE, but didn't like the style that much. I had some payouts, but I stopped trading since January. I was busy. But now I have more time. A month ago, I found you guys watching YouTube and I like the trading style. Let's go, bro. Let's go. W.
Nice. But what is NQ doing? Look at this trade, man. You could barcode this range, made like 1,000 on like 2 M&Q each time.
Yep. Alright, Legrand, bro. Bye bye.
Peace, Legrand. Peace. Your Goldie juicing.
It's so hard to sell goalie. TB smashed. Fake. Fake change of character setup by Blue Jay. But why are you blue? That's the main thing.
Emotional damage.
Unblock the next level. Crazy.
I break even on NQ. We
Is
didn't
it
get.
coming for the A plus?
Maybe we come up. Would you? It's kind of A plus and double top at the same on the 15, but I'm just scared of the bullish momentum because it's the 1 hour closed above.
We touched the gap
We touched the
as
gap.
well.
Yep.
Tricky day, tricky day.
Yeah, it
Tricky
is.
day.
And I don't want to go too heavy red. You know, I just need one green day for a payout. So if I end the day like this, it's fine. I would like to get it back, but I don't really see any good setups right now.
There's nothing, bro. Goldie has just been this range fist.
Yeah.
Maybe we break out now again. Because you see, it's pretty similar. Wait a second. If we look at this, move up, consolidation, move down, next range. Move down, consolidation, move up, maybe next range. And then just chill out here for the rest of the day.
Hmm.
Like this, another move up. Range to range. Because this was a confirmed high. This was a low. Then we moved here. And then this was the low. And now if we can move above, so this becomes a high and then this becomes a low. So essentially, like if I just have to summarize that, it's just like market is definitely moving up, but look at how it is moving up. It's consolidating, grabbing some orders, and then once it has it, every time there's this fake out kind of vibe here, here.
Yeah.
So whenever this fake out is happening, after that it's just moving to the next range. So let's check this out in Asian, bro. Yeah. Let's look at this. That if it just moves up and the volume starts dying, what happens there? Because then tomorrow, if I look at it, wait a second. Then for tomorrow, I think the trade becomes easy if this is to continue. You know what I'm saying? Well,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, definitely.
I want then this, maybe from here, and then tomorrow we take a trade like this. Bigger risk, bigger stops, lesser risk, but longer trade.
I think that one has potential to run.
True, true.
I mean, if we would have gotten the entry today, this would have also been the trade to run, but today we didn't came down to the TJL2.
Very honestly, I don't even mind changing the trading times a bit. I think, yeah, I think pre-London, pre-London and London could be the vibe. Because I feel like all the market open momentum and volume has not feel like this is what I've observed, that it has shifted to Asian. All the Asian movements have shifted to like pre-London, something like that. You know. MNQ 5 minute dual change at 273, right? 272.
London moving nice.
Yeah. So you can take it off of like this, bro. This or this. This could be your range. I mean, if it comes up, taps this, and then we get a red candle, or maybe closes, this one closes here, engulfing red, then yeah, we can. It's just like, where is it coming off from? The only thing is, this gap, you know, this gap. And what about the stocks? Everything looks bullish today. I don't think this is tradable. In English.
Crazy goalie. And meanwhile, NQ is just at the same point.
Bro, see this. Okay, guys. TGL City. I think it's time. Wait for any TGL here. 1 minute. Let's figure out the targets. Targets. Definitely these wicks, and then we are expecting it to continue till this daily resistance. Any 4-hour targets? Of course, like 4-hour resistance is one target. Okay. See, that thing did make sense. All right, 13, 15. Need a 15 closure above, and then a TGL. Where are we coming into? Any pending levels? So, okay. Let's see if there were any pending levels, because don't want to get caught up in that. So this was this was a change of character. So we had this. Okay. After that what? We close that off.
I see NQ dropping in now, but I want to get back in right before the 4 closure. Based off what I see on the 1 minute, I can really see this drop now. Let's see.
15 plus. It got activated here. And then after that, have we ever tapped it? Okay. Maybe this is the target. Let me see. On the 1 hour, do I have anything? So if we did continue, let me do this. But again, it's bullish. Okay, so that was that, and then damn. Okay. So this was the previous pending level. So after that, what do we do? After that, we do a marking to the downside. And now we get a change of character on the 1 hour here. Yeah. And then what? Okay. All right. This looks nice. I mean, not this. This.
Yeah.
If this comes down for a retracement, definitely this 1 RTGL2 is the trade for the session. If that doesn't happen, or if we, let's say, end up closing somewhere here, then for Asian, these buys would be really nice. Really nice. Because now we are reaching extremes of the ranges, right? So let's say this is the range, and so what do we have? We have this as one range, then this as another chop, and then everything below. So like this. So maybe again, if goalie hasn't decided on what to do, let's say goalie just wants to range. So these are your liquidity areas, I would say. Then in that case, we can keep it like this. So these could be our liquidity areas, and then so that's one thing. And if it is this, so now after that, what we can look into is, okay, does if goalie wants to move above, what needs to happen? So definitely this area needs to um get destroyed. Like we need to move through this area. But again, if it is a consolidation kind of range thing, so then maybe we can expect some retracements from here. So either that happens and then we eventually push up, considering this much amount of consolidation was enough to, maybe tap somewhere around here and then continue to the upside. Either that, or if this is a previous liquidity or seller area, then maybe if we can't move above right now after this price action, maybe we come back down here and then move somewhere there. So this is like the overall situation I see goalie in. So with that being said, of course, like sells from here could make sense, but I wouldn't really want to take sells, because overall I feel much more comfortable buying gold in regards to whatever is happening on the higher time frames and everything else, macro wise. So that's pretty much it right now. But again, this pending 1 hour A plus, like from this internal range, once or twice it has played out, so I don't really think it will hold. So in this case, the best area to buy just becomes this. And very honestly, what would make me even more confident taking buys is if this 1 hour can close above, because then this becomes a new TGL, and then a move like this. Yeah, that is something I would definitely like to take. Something like this, or maybe once it goes down and then gives like a 15 or a 5 minute confirmation above, then yeah, then it could be a long trade, something like that. But right now I don't see anything. MNQ, what's happening? MNQ again is just chopping. So again, pretty much the same thing. If we look at it on the 15 or the 5, this middle is the consolidation range. This is just liquidity to go up and down. 15 has changed character, and so it should go down to the A plus, wherever that was. But what we can also do is treat it like a dual change of character. Here, here. So we change character here to the downside, and then we changed it again to the upside. So in this case, but again, it doesn't make sense now, because then this buy should have played out, which it did. Yo, okay. Honestly, this was a dual change of character on the 15 minute. This one, I think this played out when Asian. Okay, this was London session. Interesting, very interesting. And after that, we are closing below. Yeah, chopped. I don't see anything clearly. The only thing that makes sense for me right now for this session is just this. Closure above or below. And yeah, expecting a closure. If it goes down fakes out, then closes above, and then goes to breakout above here, I wouldn't like to take any TGLs then. Much more than that, if we can come down a bit cleaner and then we move up, I would like to take TGLs here. Because price action wise, this range is telling us that okay, there are buyers here and sellers here. So if that's the case, and if this ends up being like a fake out kind of vibe or a 1 minute change of character kind of vibe somewhere here, then and this ends up closing inside the RBS, let's say, ends up forming here, then those are your aggro entry buys on the SPR. Aggro entry, but managed risk. Don't full send it. So that is one scenario. And of course, before tapping this, if it goes up, closes above, like similar, closes above, and then gives a red candle, I would definitely like to take sells. And with that being said, I mean, there's this 5 minute dual change to the downside here. Yeah. So let's see how it forms. And again, why I want it to go down and then go up and then take buys and then not take sells, because then if it closes below, let's say, then we get a new TGL, right? So this TGL ends up coming in these areas. So if that happens, and if after that I get confirmation towards the buys here, then I would take it again from the bottom. And if that ends up being a fake out, then that ends up being like a TGL. So it's like that, a bit tricky. Just consider the ranges, consider the accumulation, try reading price, what's happening. And here, yeah, if it like comes down and fills the entire gap right now, and then maybe reacts off of this support, we can definitely bounce up. 4 hour. What I don't like about this 4 hour is, of course, this not really a top vec. I would have loved it to take continuations to the downside if once we close like this, and then we close like this 4 hour was printing like this. But that lack of top vec, yeah. And what else? Structure wise, that's pretty much it, I would say. According to this structure, again, we have this 1 hour TGL, 2. Yeah, so maybe those could be the targets for the day, and it's pretty much it. Because that's like the last support, so I mean, we should be good. We should be good. TP head, I'm out. We'll see you nation. W. 4 hour. Okay, exact same thing, fake out, buys. Anybody in this? We just spoke about it. Holy. Goalie says TGL 2, 1 minute. W. Enki short route 2. Crazy. So grab the previous 1 hour and 4 hour lows. Yeah. Okay. And goalie. Whoa. I think that's it then. With goalie. This is exactly like was happening, 5 minutes, 5 minute, no change of characters. 1 minute. Bro, Sujay, bro, those fake change of character, bro, you gotta do a boot camp on that now. That's crazy. Yeah, there's nothing on Goldie. Nothing that I can see. Anybody sees anything?
No.
Students? Anything? Yeah, this is job. Like these are the days we don't really want to trade. You know,
I
there's
mean,
nothing. The ranges are big. Highs and lows are not getting broken. No continuation. So, and it's just playing inside the range with heavy momentum to the upside, but then correcting. So, uh, and again, like what has been happening. This was Tokyo, London, New York. We are still inside that Asian range. So I don't think we move today. We'll have these clean pushes, but I don't think we move. As of now, price has done nothing to show me that. These highs haven't been grabbed. These lows haven't been grabbed. So nothing. It's just like the smaller time frame, and yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing for me. Maybe if the price comes to the 15-minute zone. But like which one? You know, I said let's just call it. One last thing on MNQ. There's nothing.
yeah, I think I'll just also accept that I'll have a red day today and
Yeah.
go to the next.
Alright, guys. No need to force anything. There's nothing clean, and our
Yeah.
trades work out the best when they are clean because then we are in and out within like 5-10 minutes of the market once the price action is clean. So there's just no point, waiting for something. And if anything, if any of the price like breaks out of any kind of range, then yeah, definitely we can easily see moves. NQ is consolidating in a big range. There's nothing happening right now. Just support demand.
Yep.
You play that. Sell, buy.
There's really nothing
Right.
happening.
Yeah.
And on
Chopped.
Goldie, no setups. I mean, we wanted the TJL2 down here. We didn't got it. Now it's moving. We are still inside this. And we got the power resistances up here. So yeah, I would
Yeah.
say the best setups will be there in Asia. Probably.
Yeah. Yeah, true. Market is like weird. A bit weird. Bit weird.
Yeah. But it's the beginning of the week, so we don't have to stress.
Yeah, yeah. That's true. That's true. I then guys, I'm hopping off. There's pretty much nothing. Don't really want to sit in front of the screens. Um and take something stupid. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't know, market open. I'll
I'm not
see how
feeling
the
market
volume
open.
goes. Yeah, market open is
Yeah,
not really going. We don't have enough news lately to drive it.
exactly. So guys, market open. Everybody trade on your own. We'll try to see you guys in Asia.
Yeah.
Should we there for Asia or no?
Yeah, I'll be there for Asia and I'll probably send out some markups for market open, what I'll be looking at, and then yeah, be there
Yeah,
for
but
Asia.
first uh, everybody else let them send it first. You send it right before the beginning. Everybody, please send out the markups here. Let's just see. What
Um
time is around Asia? Bro, you are in Netherlands, right?
yeah, it's like 30
Right.
minutes before Asia opens, which is in German time it's like 2 a.m. is Asia open.
Yeah,
So we usually
2
start at
a.m.
like
is Asia open.
1:30.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, same time zone.
Yo. Occur is in YouTube. I just opened the YouTube.
Wait, oh my god. Tell me I'm not seeing the chat the whole time. Oh my god. Yeah, YouTube. I have the wrong YouTube chat on. Sorry, YouTube. What's up, Awkward? What's up, Zesty? What's up, Xander? YOLO?
Xander!
What's up, Xander?
Xander, congratulations, bro. Getting married and all. Holy. Yes, Mike, bro. We'll see you. Micro 6. Cool, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm off.
Yes, sir.
Out here riding whales, bro. Xander is riding whales. Hey, Xander, how's my whale? How's Georgie? Hi to him. Wait a second. Alright, let's call it on YouTube, bro.
Yes, sir.
Call it.
Peace, YouTube. See you tomorrow. True.
True.